Today I am making this delicious Chinese roast chicken, Cantonese style, or anyways my style. Look at this delicious roast chicken, very crispy and delicious. This recipe, I thought of it myself, so give this recipe a try and let me know how it went. So let's start off with the chicken over here. So I'm gonna cut the chicken in half. So you're just gonna cut it in half like this and then open the chicken up. Okay, so once it's opened up, we can season the chicken. So first I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt all around the chicken. Then we're gonna sprinkle some black pepper. Just sprinkle enough. And then here I got some garlic salt. Also sprinkle around the chicken. And then here I got some fish spice. Also sprinkle around the chicken. And also I'm also adding in 2 teaspoons of sugar. Guys, for the spices you can add more or less, it's up to you. But this is what I did and it tasted absolutely delicious. After you put the spice, you can just give the chicken a good rub. Rub all that spice into the chicken. And then we're gonna flip the chicken around and do the same thing. So yeah, just sprinkle a good amount of salt. Don't sprinkle too much salt or else, you know, it becomes too salty. Just a good amount all around the chicken. Here we got the black pepper. Then here we also got the garlic salt. Sprinkle around the chicken. Also some fish spice, guys. You got to have some of this ingredient. This fish spice was like the main ingredient of the chicken, which makes this chicken taste absolutely delicious. And then finally adding in 3 teaspoons of sugar. The sugar makes the skin crispy, I guess, because it's like it melts a sugary stuff onto the skin and it makes the skin crispy. Yeah, but I don't think it's the sugar. Yeah, and then afterwards just rub all that spice around the chicken skin, place it in the bowl, then we can put in our wet ingredients. So over here I got some Chinese rice wine. You gotta add some of this Chinese rice wine or else this won't be a Chinese Cantonese chicken. You're also gonna add in some sesame oil. And then here we got some oyster sauce. Just drizzle around the chicken. And then also use the 1 teaspoon of chiho sauce. And also drizzled a lot of olive oil. You know, in the air fryer you got to put in a lot of olive oil, like the sesame oil and all that. So it's like frying the chicken inside the air fryer. So yeah, this is an air fried roast chicken, Chinese style, Cantonese style. After putting in all those liquid ingredients, just rub all those ingredients into the chicken, in and out of the chicken skin and the inner chicken. Okay, so this chicken are marinated overnight. Once it's marinated overnight, we can place it into our air fryer. I'm using a Philips air fryer over here, XXL. And then yeah, we're gonna cook the inner chicken first, and then also pour in all that sauce. So yeah, let me see. So I tuned it at 180 degrees first at 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes, let's check this chicken out. You can see it's about 60%, 60 to 70% cooked. And as you can see, all that chicken oil, very tasty and delicious. So flip the chicken around. As you can see, the skin is almost also cooked very nicely. So yeah, as you can see, okay, let's put it back into the Philips air fryer. Cook it at another Another 15 minutes at 108 degrees. Yeah, after that it's ready, guys. Just very simple. Look at that. Look at that, so crispy and delicious. Guys, if you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so enough of me blabbing around. It's time for my mom to cut this chicken up. Thanks guys for watching. Let's watch my mom cut the chicken. Check that out.
下次冇擠呢啲雞腳落去啊！
熟鳩晒。
我個殼，咁樣整佢。燙到隻雞都壞咗，燙得佢又唔好。都係咁啊。
睇啦。
好質質啊！ 冇汁質，係咁，你想整個檸檬咧。夠量，啊，夠晒量，